Hi folks, Dr. Jeff here from Ear Care Specialist in Nottingham. Thanks for joining me. It's been a little while, but one of my resolutions is to try and make some more videos and stop being lazy. So here we go. This person had lots of wax blocking both of their ears. It was quite dry and hard, so we had to use some oil, and you'll see when the speculum is removed in a moment that it covers all of the ear canal. It was really wedged in there, so this was a really nice one to remove. The patient felt much relief upon its exit. So you'll see me just slowly working the wax, trying to just wiggle it and get it to a point where it's ready to come out. Here we can see it, so I've removed the speculum, just pulling the ear up and back to give myself a bit more room, straighten up the ear canal, and then we'll start to get it out. You can see here, look, just how blocked and packed in it is in their ear. So we're getting it just to the nasal entrance, and this is the point where it was just getting a bit stuck. So give it a wiggle, just being patient, and eventually it will come out for us. Here we go, almost there. Imagine having this stuck in your ear. Here we go. So out it pops. A bit of skin on the side of it there as well. That's why it's a different colour. And here we go, huge relief. Patient will feel much better once that comes out, and their hearing would be much improved. We'll go back in and take a look to make sure the coast is clear. So back in we go, visualise the eardrum, and all is well. Thanks for watching.